Hi folks, just wanted to do a little unboxing video today, mainly for my good friend Kevin, who absolutely loves this sort of thing. So it's not really my bag, but here we go. Let's do an unboxing of the EM1-mkII. This is the double zoom pro kit, so we've got 2 extra lenses in there as well. So it comes in this nice shoebox kind of arrangement, a quality feel to it. Open it up. We get a nice thank you card and all about the various things in there, and then let's go to the foamy side because that looks like it's going to be the good bit. Well, in here we get, unsurprisingly, EM1-mkII. Nice little flippy screen on that, and then we get 2 lenses. Now when you unbox yours at home, first thing you want to do is get all the serial numbers off these and register them with Olympus. Main reason for that is that you get an extra 6 months warranty, so it's well worth doing. Over here we have a book of rules. Let's have a look, see what we've got in here. So, bit of paper, guide for that particular lens, and then the basic manual for the EM1-mkII, which, to be honest, I've seen Olympus basic manuals before and they're not all that. You're much better off going on the web and getting the full version, because the basic manual just tells you how to plug it in and switch it on. Another lens manual and various warranty cards. What else do we get in here? Well, get a lens bag, just like another lens bag, or maybe a bag for the, I'm not sure what that is, but there's maybe a wrist strap even. Have to open that up and find out. Battery charger, little plastic bit, that looks like that'll be fun working out what that's for. Good, we got a battery, so this whole thing works. Another lens bag by the look of it. Ah, right, okay, so we got a lens hood. Flash unit. I guess that's the stand for the flash unit. I think there may be 2 lens hoods in there, that's one to play about with. A strap. It's good, a European power connector that can go in the bin. American power connector, proper British power connector, and USB connector. Lovely, looks like everything you need. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, especially for Kevin.